Welcome to another video of Classic Civil. Here is some problems related to surveying. Surveying is an important subject for our officer level exams. So just go through these problems. Question number 1. When 1 centimeter on a map represents 20 meter on ground, the representative fraction of the scale is. When 1 centimeter on a map represents 20 meter on ground, the representative fraction of the scale is. Here answer is representative fraction or RF is equal to dimension on drawing divided by dimension on ground. Dimension on ground. Then here dimension on drawing is equal to 1 centimeter divided by dimension on ground 20 meter. Convert it into the same units. Here 1 centimeter divided by 20 into 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 20 into 100 centimeter. Then 1 divided by 2000. Representative fraction RF is equal to 1 divided by 2000. Question number 2. Scale 2 centimeter equal to 1 meter. Then RF is scale 2 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Then RF is the representative fraction. RF is equal to dimension on drawing divided by dimension on ground. Dimension on drawing here 2 centimeter. Dimension on ground 1 meter. Then convert it into the same units. Then 2 centimeter divided by 1 meter is equal to 1 into 100 centimeter. Then 2 to 150. 1 divided by 50. That is RF is equal to 1 by 50 or 1:50. Question number 3. Convert the whole circle bearing 120 degree into reduced bearing system. Convert the whole circle bearing 120 degree into reduced bearing system. Here there are mainly two types of bearing system: whole circle bearing system and reduced bearing system. In whole circle bearing system, all angles are measured from north direction. In reduced bearing system, angles are measured from nearest south or north. In whole circle bearing system, all angles are measured from north, and in reduced bearing system, angles are measured from nearest south or north. Here, the angle given is 120 degree, that is north, east, south and west. Then 120 degree denotes this much angle, 120 degree. We have to convert the 120 degree whole circle bearing into reduced bearing system. Then reduced bearing angles are measured from south or north. Here the angle is measured from south to east direction. Therefore the angle is south 60 degree east. south 60 degree east. This angle is 60 degree. Therefore, the reduced bearing system is south 60 degree east. South 60 degree east. The answer is reduced bearing system south 60 degree east. Question number 4. Convert the whole circle bearing 295 degree 30 minute into reduced bearing system. Convert a whole circle bearing 295 degree 30 minute into reduced or quadrantal bearing system. Here we have to convert whole circle bearing system into reduced bearing system or quadrantal bearing system. Here the angle given is 295 degree 30 minute. That represents, here is north, east, south and west. 295 degree represents this much angle, 295 degree 30 minutes. Then we have to find the reduced bearing system, RB. RB is measured from the nearest north or south. Here the angle is in reduced bearing system is this much of angle, that is north to west, north to west some angle. Here we have to make the difference between 360 degree and 295 degree 30 minutes. So 360 degree minus 295 degree 30 minute, that is, as we all know, 1 degree is equal to 60 minute. 1 degree is equal to 60 minute. Therefore 360 degree can be written as 359 degree 60 minute minus 295 degree 30 minute. Therefore 30 minute and 64 degree. Therefore the reduced bearing system or quadrantal bearing system is north 64 degree 30 minute west. North 64 degree 30 minute west. Question number 5. Convert the reduced bearing south 45 degree 30 minute east into whole circle bearing system. Question number 5. Convert the reduced bearing south 45 degree 30 minute east into whole circle bearing system. Answer. We have to convert the reduced bearing system into whole circle bearing system. In reduced bearing system, the angle 45 degree 30 minute represents, here is our north and here is east, south and west. South to east, that is, this much angle is 45 degree 30 minute. Okay, we have to the angle in whole circle bearing system, that is this much angle. This is 180 degree minus 45 degree 30 minute, that is, we know 1 degree is equal to 60 minute. Then 179 degree 60 minute minus 45 degree 30 minute, that is 30 minute 413, that is 134 degree 30 minute. That is, in whole circle bearing system, the answer is 134 degree 30 minutes. Question number 6. Find the back bearing of 277 degree 20 minute in whole circle bearing system. Find the back bearing of 277 degree 20 minute in whole circle bearing system. Here we have to find the back bearing in whole circle bearing system. Back bearing in whole circle bearing system is equal to forebearing plus or minus 180 degree. If the given forebearing is greater than 180 degree, then use negative sign. If the forebearing is less than 180 degree, use the positive sign. Here the forebearing given is 277 degree 20 minute, which is greater than 180 degree. So use negative sign. That is forebearing minus 180 degree. That is forebearing is 277 degree 20 minute minus 180 degree. That is 277 degree 20 minute minus 180 degree 0 minute. That is 20 minute 97 degree. That is 97 degree 20 minute. That is back bearing is 97 degree 20 minute. Question number 7. Find the back bearing of north 22 degree 20 minute east in reduced bearing system. Find the back bearing of north 22 degree 20 minute east in reduced bearing system. Here we have to find the back bearing in a reduced bearing system. In reduced bearing system, the back bearing is south 22 degree 20 minute west. Okay, south 22 degree 20 minute west. That is, here is north and here is south, here is east and here is west. Just interchange the north into south and south into north, west into east, east into west. Here the forebearing is north 22 degree 20 minute east. Then the back bearing is just change north into south. The angle is same. Then change east into west. Therefore, the answer is south 22 degree 20 minute west. Question number 8. Magnetic bearing of a line is 40 degree 20 minute. Declination is 5 degree 38 minute east. Then true bearing is. Magnetic bearing of a line is 40 degree 24 minute. Declination is 5 degree 38 minute east. Then true bearing is. Here we have to find the true bearing. True bearing is equal to magnetic bearing plus or minus declination. True bearing is equal to magnetic bearing plus or minus declination. If declination is to east, then use positive sign. If declination is to west, then use negative sign. Here the declination is to east. Therefore, true bearing is equal to magnetic bearing. Magnetic bearing is 48 degree 24 minute. Here declination to east, then use positive or plus sign. 5 degree 38 minutes. Then that is 48 degree 24 minute plus 5 degree 38 minute. That is 53 degree 62 minute. We know 60 minutes is equal to 1 degree. That is 54 degree 2 minutes. The true bearing is 54 degree 2 minutes. Question number 9. True bearing of a line is 217 degree. Declination is 2 degree west. Then magnetic bearing is. True bearing of a line is 217 degree. Declination is 2 degree west. Then magnetic bearing is. We know true bearing is equal to magnetic bearing plus or minus declination. Here declination to west, therefore use negative sign. That is, true bearing is equal to magnetic bearing minus declination. We have to find the magnetic bearing. Here the true bearing is given 217 degree equal to magnetic bearing minus declination 2 degree. That is, magnetic bearing is equal to 217 degree minus 2 degree. That is plus 2 degree. That is, magnetic bearing is equal to 219 degree. Therefore, magnetic bearing is equal to 219 degree. Question number 10. In an open traverse, the included angle at a station is 209 degree 16 minutes. Then deflection angle at that point is. In an open traverse, the included angle at a station is 209 degree 16 minutes. Then deflection angle at that point. Answer. Deflection angle is equal to included angle minus 180 degree. That is, here included angle is 209 degree 16 minutes minus 180 degree. That is 29 degree 16 minutes. Therefore, deflection angle at that point is 29 degree 16 minutes. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you.